Yes. So now we'll move to question number 30, okay? In the 30th question, which set of the following represents unsaturated fatty acids? You know, among fatty acids, there are two types. One is called saturated fatty acids and another one is unsaturated fatty acids. They have given some list. So, option A, oleic acid, palmitic acid, linoleic acid, arachidonic acid. Option B, oleic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid, arachidonic acid. Option C, oleic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, arachidonic acid. Option D, oleic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, arachidonic acid. So, what we should find out, which of the following represents unsaturated fatty acids? So, the answer is D. Answer is D. Based on the presence or absence of double bond, we can find out this. Then, saturated fatty acids do not have double bond. And you know, saturated fatty acids general formula, you should remember this. Saturated fatty acids general formula CnH2nO2. CnH2nO2. You should remember this. And unsaturated fatty acids general formula, unsaturated fatty acids general formula CnH2n minus 2xO2 is the general formula of unsaturated fatty acids. So now I'll give the names of some saturated fatty acids and after that some unsaturated fatty acids. First I will give the names of some saturated fatty acids. So saturated fatty acids. Fatty acids. Dear students, the saturated fatty acids are palmitic acid, and formula C16H32O2, stearic acid, it consists C18H36 and O2. Then unsaturated fatty acids. The unsaturated fatty acids are oleic acid, that is C18H34 and O2. Then linoleic acid, and it is C18H30O2, linoleic acid, and linolenic acid, C18H30O2, and arachidonic acid, it is C20H32O2. Okay, so you should remember the formula of different acids. Now we'll move for the next question, that is question number 31. The next question is question number 31. What is the question? Which of the following is derived lipid? What are derived lipids? Neither simple nor complicated. So here suberin, for example, I will give an idea. What I can give? Starch, when it is by the action of salivary amylase, it is converted into dextrin. Okay? This dextrin, by the action of salivary amylase itself, will be converted into amino acids. So here, this is the complex polysaccharide. This is the simplest polysaccharide. I hope it is clear to you. This is the complex polysaccharide. This is the simplest polysaccharide. But this is intermediate. Neither simple nor complicated. Such substances are called derived substances. So, derived lipids means neither complicated nor simple. So, we have to find out which one is the derived lipid. Suberin, glycolipid, cutin, then terpenes. So, the answer is option D. Here, the answer is option D. Okay? Option D. If you know some of the simple compound and derived lipids, it's good for your exam. Simple lipids. Let us see. Simple lipids. Here there is one set. Fats, suberin, and then cutin, wax. All these are simple lipids. Compound lipids are phospholipids, glycolipids, lipoproteins. Okay. And then derived lipids are terpenes and prostaglandins. Prostaglandins. So, my dear students, you should remember the names of these different types of lipids. Try to remember this as much as possible, okay? And question number 32. Excess histamine in blood causes histamine, heparin, serotonin are produced by mast cells. Mast cells are found in liver. Whether I should write? Yeah, I will write. See, answer, histamine, heparin, and serotonin produced by mast cells. Okay, mast cells are found in, it is found in liver. And in hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is also called blue cartilage or glass cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is also called blue cartilage or glass cartilage. Okay. Now, I'll give some of the diseases. I think you know this. Kwashiorkor disease, deficiency of amino acids, gout, excess deposition of uric acid. Dementia, forgetfulness. Okay. You know this. Question number 33. Choose the odd one from the following. Choose the odd one from the following. 33. Question number. Structural proteins, collagen of connective tissue, protective protein, fibrinogen, regulatory protein, troponin, catalytic protein, pepsin. Now we have to find out the odd one from the following. So here, I think it is option. Which one is odd one? See, option C. Option C. Because structural proteins are always keratin and collagen. Keratin and collagen. Dear students, the abundant protein in human body is collagen. Then catalytic enzymes. Catalytic enzymes. Catalytic proteins, enzymes. Then contractile is actin, myosin, troponin. Actin, myosin, troponin. Actin, myosin, troponin. Transport protein, which is helpful for transportation. Transport protein. It is a hemoglobin, hemocyanin. Hemoglobin and hemocyanin. Hemocyanin. And then regulatory proteins. Regulatory proteins are hormones. Hormones are the regulatory proteins. Hormones. Then protective proteins. Protective proteins are immunoglobulin and fibrinogen. Immunoglobulin and fibrinogen. Fibrinogen. Immunoglobulin and fibrinogen. Then because they are involved in killing pathogens. Then toxin protein, snake venom. Snake venom. Then histone protein, which helps in gene expression. Histone protein, gene expression. So this is a list of different proteins. It may be helpful to you if you remember it properly. Okay. Then question number 34. Question number 34. Question is, select the complementary nitrogenous base of the following sequence A, G, C, T, A, C, A, C. So, it's a direct question. Answer is D. Answer is D. Question number 35. Question number 35. Which of the following enzyme is zymogen? What are zymogens? Zymogens are inactive enzymes activated by enzyme activators. So, I'll tell the answer later. Zymogens are inactive enzymes and are activated by enzyme activator. Enzyme activator. Okay. Some other external force is needed for activation. Okay. They are called as zymogens. Now, the answer for this question. First of all, let us see the answer. Which of the following is a enzyme is a zymogen? Option A, ptyalin. Option B, ptyalin means salivary amylase. Option B, steopsin. Option C, fibrinogen. Option D, carboxypeptidase. So here it is option C. Option C. I'll give you some of the zymogens name. For example, pepsinogen is a zymogen. Pepsinogen is a zymogen. Its activated form is pepsin. And which one is required for activation? HCl. And prorenin. Its activated form is renin. It is activated by HCl. Then trypsinogen. It is activated form is trypsin. And chymotrypsinogen. Enterokinase. Chymotrypsinogen, trypsin. Chymotrypsin. See, why I am giving all this? Because they may ask the question like this. Which set of the following represents zymogens? If the question is like that, then you should know the names of other enzymes also. Okay. Now, I'll move to the next question. Question number 36. Total quantity of DNA per genome of the organism. Total quantity of DNA per genome in an organism is option C. Option C. It is represented by the unit. Representation unit is picogram. PG, picogram, small g, okay? 1 pg is equal to 0.965 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs. 9 base pairs. 10 to the power 9 base pairs. This is for your information. So now I will move to the next question. Question number 37. Question number 37. Okay. In this particular question, choose the incorrect base pairs from the following. Different types of DNAs are there. Choose the incorrect pair from the following. A DNA 11 base pairs per turn, then B DNA 10 base pairs per turn, C DNA 8 base pairs per turn, Z DNA 12 base pairs per turn. So, in this situation, the answer, what's the question? Choose the incorrect. So, I think it is C, because cDNA is having 9.33 base pairs per turn. Okay, 9.33 base pairs per turn. And ddNA is having 8 base pairs per turn. ddNA is having 8 base pairs per turn. 8 base pairs per turn. Okay. Then except Z DNA, all other DNA are right-handed. So Z DNA is left-handed. And others are all right-handed. Right-handed. Okay. Yeah. Now, question number 38. Holoenzyme is produced by. Holoenzyme is produced by. Option: combined coenzyme and apoenzyme. Option B: only prosthetic group. Option C: only protein part. Option D: cofactor. So here it is option A, by the combination of coenzyme and apoenzyme. Question number 39. Question number 39. Different epithelial cells are given in the column first and their location is given in the column second. Match them and choose a correct answer. So answer A. Answer is A. 40th question. There is a diagram of areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue. In this areolar connective tissue, some parts are labeled with alphabets. Match them and choose a correct answer. So I'll give the answer, that is option C. Answer C. Here you should remember many things in this, because this is important. They may ask different, they may set different questions because you know structural organization, 6 questions they may ask in your exam. So here different types of fibers. Areolar connective tissue is made up of following different components. Fibers are there. White fibers. White fibers are there. They are also called collagen fibers. Collagen fibers. Why they are called so? Because they are made up of a protein called collagen. Collagen. Okay. Then yellow fibers are there. Yellow fibers. Yellow fibers. And dear students, white fibers, they occur in bundles. Yellow fibers, they are single and they contain a protein called elastin. So the fiber is called elastic fibers. Elastic fibers. And then reticulate fibers. Reticulate fibers. And it has a protein that is called reticulin. Reticulin fiber. It has a protein that is called reticulin fiber. And macrophages will be there. Macrophages. It helps to kill the pathogens. Then fibrocytes. Fibrocytes. It helps to form the fibers. Then plasma cells. Plasma cells will be there. Antibody production. It helps to produce the fibers. And this is helpful in protection. And plasma cells, Mast cells, here also we observe, they are responsible for histamine, heparin, serotonin, histamine, heparin and serotonin. So these are all, and also the matrix will be there. These are all the components of this areolar connective tissue. Okay. Now I'll move to the next question. That question is 41 question. 41. Which of the following substance makes the bone tissue unique among the body? Because you know bone is very hard, and the name of the bone cells is called, the bone cells are also called osteocytes. Osteocytes. Bone cells are also called osteocytes. And the structural and functional unit of bone is, structural and functional unit of bone is Haversian system. Haversian system is the structural and functional unit of bone. And here the question is, which of the following substance makes the bone tissue unique among the body? That's the question. The answer for this question is option D. Why bone is more stronger? That is because of this option D. That is option D, what they have given? It is hydroxyapatite crystals and phosphate of calcium that makes bone harder and stronger. Yeah, I was telling you about bone structure, and here I want to give some more words to you to remember. Periosteum. Periosteum is outer layer of bone. Endosteum, inner layer of bone. Periosteum is outer layer of bone. Endosteum is inner layer of bone. Okay. Then question number, what they are asking is question number 43. So 41 you got the answer. 42. Question number 42. Which of the following is also called PMNL? Which of the following is also called PMNL? What is PMNL? PMNL means polymorphonuclear lymphocyte. Polymorphonuclear lymphocyte is PMNL. And the answer for this is option B. 42 option B. Because you might have seen in microscope, if you observe the neutrophils, they have the nucleus with the different lobes. Some may have 5 lobes, and some may have the 3 lobes like this. Some may have 4 lobes like this. Yeah. That's why they are called polymorphonuclear lymphocytes. So question number 43. The question is, sarcomere is area between 2 I bands, area between 2 A bands, area between 2 Z lines, area or it is the region of H zone. So here answer is C. Answer C. It is area between 2 two Z lines. Two Z lines. It is area between two Z lines is called this one, sarcomere. And sarcomere is the structural and functional unit of muscle. Then I'll move for question number 44. Question number 44. In this question, 44 question, the opening of spermathecae in the earthworm are found in which segment? Option A, 4th segment, 6th segment, 7th segment. Option B, 6, 7, 8, 9 segments. Option C, 4, 5, 6, 7 segments. Option D, 10, 11, 12, 13 segments. So the answer for this is option B. Answer B. The process of segmentation we observed in earthworm. So segments are found in earthworms, and their locomotory organ is setae. And there's question number 45. If a live earthworm is pricked with a needle on its outer surface without damaging its gut, the fluid that comes out is, if you prick an earthworm, a fluid will come out, and that is here coelomic fluid, hemocoelom option B, C slimy mucus, D excretory fluid. So the answer is option A, coelomic fluid. Coelomic fluid. Question number 46. Excretion of cockroach takes place by nephridium, parotid gland, coxal gland, Malpighian tubules. So obviously we know it is Malpighian tubules, isn't it? So option D. Option D. Protonephridia. Protonephridia are also called flame cells. Flame cells, they are found in platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. And nephridia are found in this one, earthworm, Annelida. Annelidans. So they are the excretory organs. Now question number 47. Cockroach and earthworm have common trachea. Option A. Option B, spermathecae. Option C, lateral heart. Option D, ventral nerve cord. So the answer is B. Answer is B. In cockroach, we observe the body, it is divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. This thorax has 3 segments. The 3 segments of the thorax, they are fused. And this is called protothorax, prothorax, and here mesothorax, and this one is metathorax. So thoracic region, prothorax, mesothorax, metathorax. They are the 3 different regions that we come across in case of cockroach. Then 48, question number 48. Which of the following set develops from endodermis of frog? Endodermis. You know there are ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Endodermis of frog, which of the following organelles they develop? That's the question. So here we should remember that the endodermis of frog is going to develop liver, pancreas and thymus. Answer C. Answer C. Now, the question number, sciatic vein of frog opens in heart, kidney, pelvic region and liver. It is option C once again. Option C. Now, let us come to the last question. That is, in frog, the vertebra with anterior convex surface is atlas, urostyle, 8th vertebra, 9th vertebra. It is answer D. So, it is also called sacral vertebra. Sacral vertebra. So, I try to cover almost all aspects in this paper in the 4 chapters. I know that these 4 units are quite vast and it's not that much easy to cover all the points, but I'm satisfied because I gave many points. I wrote those points here, and I know if you make a short note of this, it will be helpful for you for your NEET exam. So I wish you good luck. Thank you.